Moving forward with the next topic, angles, acute, obtuse and reflex angle. So in this topic we will see only the highlighted points. So if you see here in other names, the first point is an angle is smaller than a right angle is called an acute angle. We have already studied about acute angle in class 5, right? So we know that any angle which is less than right angle is known as acute angle. Right angle is a 90-degree angle, and all the angles starting from 0 degree to 89 degree, okay, till here the angles are known as acute angle. Okay, you can see here the portions are made: rooftop, then seesaw, opening book, all these are acute angles example. Then we see obtuse angle. If an angle is larger than a right angle but less than a straight angle, right? This is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. More than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, all those angles are obtuse angle. 91 to 179 we can say, because a straight angle is 180 degree angle. And then we see what is a reflex angle. A reflex angle is larger than a straight angle. Okay, this angle is always more than the straight angle. A straight angle is 180 degree and reflex angle begins from after 180, that is 181 to so on, and 360 is a complete angle. So less than 360, those angles are reflex angle. If you see, it looks like this. You can see here the clock is made in this. From 12 to 6 would be a straight angle, right? Now this, if you see, it is marked till 7, and this particular portion is your reflex angle. Why is this the reflex angle? Because till 6 is the straight angle and it is marked till more than 6, right? More than 6, that is, it became a reflex angle. Suppose this clock stick would have been till 8, this minute hand would have been on 8, then also it would have been a reflex angle. Clear? So reflex angle is that angle which is greater than the straight angle, means it is more than 180 degree. So like this we finished our the types of angles: obtuse, acute and reflex. Acute is less than 90, obtuse is more than 90 and reflex is more than 180.